Yo, welcome back to another recap. Today is Thursday, September 18th. So this was the short I caught today on NQ. And I'm going to just be breaking it down step by step, what I was thinking and why I took this trade. Also, this trade was able to secure me six figures funded with Apex in just 2 to 3 days. And here's the proof. First account and second account. I'm currently working on a third account, over halfway past. So that's probably going to be passed either tomorrow or next week. As long as my A plus setup presents itself, I'm executing. But let's break down this trade on why I took this. So initially, I was looking at ES going into the morning. We were very close to taking out London and Asia lows. So those were our clear targets for the morning. But we didn't have my model wasn't presenting itself going into the open. But on NQ it did. If you look over here at this price action, we have this clear manipulation higher with SMT at the highs. We clearly took out this buy side. We were taking out buy side, and we created this 15-minute BISI. We created this 15-minute BISI, and it got disrespected pre-market, creating this IFEG. So once this IFEG was confirmed and price sold off, but didn't go take out London low pre-market, I was anticipating that 930 would open high and then run to take out London and Asia lows. And that's pretty much what happened. 930 opened high, filled me in, tapped my limit order, and we ended up selling off, right? But we sold off. While we were selling off, ES ended up taking out London and Asia lows before NQ. So once I peeped that, I ended up getting out at this, this 15-minute low right here. This was the closest target to getting out at, because we created this higher time from SMT, and that could mean anything. That could mean a lot of things, actually. It could mean we could reverse, or NQ could potentially keep going lower. So I ended up playing this safe. I got out at the nearest low. And as you can see, that's exactly what happened. We ended up reversing, and today was really good. I managed this trade really well, actually. Bread and butter setup. Got out where I needed to, and price reversed. And once that happened, I didn't really care for price action. Once I'm out my trade, I just get off the charts and walk away. But yeah, for this trade though, like, this 15-minute candle was really what confirmed it for me after confirming this IFEG and CISD. So once this CISD is confirmed and we sold off, not taking out London lows, I was pretty confident that we wanted to go a little bit lower going into the open. And that's exactly what happened. But yeah, let me know if y'all have any questions in the comments.